All right, today we're gonna bring something that is really useful for mechanics and people that have no room in their shops and want to move cars around. Can hold a lot of tons, all right? Well built, well welded. They have brakes, all right? There's only one side that's gonna have the brakes on one side, all right? Just be aware. Now, prior to doing this, make sure you set your car in park. That's a mandatory thing, to set this car in park. This thing, your car wheel are supposed to land in here. So we're gonna show you guys right now. We're gonna demo how it works, all right? All right, so we're gonna demo you guys how to, you gotta unlock them once you have your car down in all fours, all right? So we'll walk around, unlock them. This is dangerous if you're in uphill or downhill. Make sure you have assistance. All right, so here you are. We have them down already, and it took two people to push it because right here the floor is not very even. Make sure that you have an even floor too, or you're gonna struggle. Now, this part was the easiest part, all right? So taking them off, it's even easier. So just make sure that you will take out the brakes when you're gonna remove it. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off the cart. Right, overall, this could pick up any kind of car as long as your wheel fits. Now, of course, it's not gonna be for semis, all right? It could do 150s, 250s, 250s. It's pretty, very sturdy. Now, like I said, if you're gonna move this around with these, you're gonna need a flat surface. If you guys know, we did this floor here. It's not even. It took two of us to push it around, but if you have concrete and it's smooth, shouldn't be an issue. So if you guys are looking for something like this for your car, moving around without turning it up, just moving it with your hand, locking them in place, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.